I'll try it one more time, but I think mostly it's my hand launching that is horrible, and then I threw it the wrong way, the big one, so we've got to do another test for that one. My hand launching, as you guys know, is the worst, so I think the plane will perform better if someone else hand launched it. Let's try. Maybe not. Well, as it turns out, it was a pretty fun. Trial, and so I'll put this up online soon so you guys can check it out. And yeah, see you all in the next one.
Likey.